Intellij AI Assistant versus GitHub Copilot. I'm going to tell you about Intellij AI Assistant and GitHub Copilot, and which is the best AI to write code. GitHub Copilot is the OG in this space, trained on tons of public code and powered by OpenAI. It plugs right into VS Code and other IDEs, suggesting lines, functions, or even entire files as you type. It's fast, language agnostic, and great for speeding up your workflow. IntelliJ AI Assistant, on the other hand, is JetBrains' native response, deeply integrated into their own IDEs like IntelliJ IDEA, PyCharm, and WebStorm. While it's newer, it shines in understanding the project context, structure, and even refactoring needs better than Copilot does, especially if you're already in the JetBrains ecosystem. Copilot is more flexible across different editors and better for quick code generation, but IntelliJ Assistant feels more like a pair programmer who understands your whole repo. So which one's better? If you want raw power and wide compatibility, Copilot is still king, but if you're working deep inside JetBrains tools, IntelliJ's AI assistant might just feel like the smarter fit.